A gemstone chip tree can be an auspicious symbol of luck, wealth, and prosperity in the home. Combine it with the metaphysical properties of your favorite gemstones or charms to create a calming, Zen-like atmosphere in your living space. When you unwrap the base form for your chip tree, the branches will be bundled together and extended upward. Make sure to remove any excess wires used to hold the wire bundles together. Begin by separating the wire bundles from one another and forming the general shape of the base branches on your tree. You may want to twist several wires together to form these thicker base branches, creating smaller divergent branches as you progress. Next, separate the individual wires extending from your bunches so it's easier to add your chips, charms, beads, or other embellishments. Continue adding your chips or other materials to fill out the individual wires on the tree. Use a pair of bent or round nose pliers to add a twist of character to your branches as you go. When you feel you've added as much decor as you'd like, secure the end of the wire around the final chip or embellishment on the branch. This will prevent your embellishments from falling off. Remember, no two trees grow alike, so be as creative as you want. Add crystals, gemstones, beads, and more. Create your moment of Zen with one of these fantastic gemstone chip trees from firemountaingems.com.